हॉस्टल का गेट 7 बजे तक बंद तो नहीं हो जाता ना? मेस का खाना अच्छा तो है ना? रात को लाइट्स चली जाती है क्या? These were the questions I received from last 1 month. Hello everyone, myself Tanisha Sarkar, your second year dental guide. So today I am here back with another video to explain about my hostel timings, my college and all. I thought of making a video which would clear it up all to you guys. In today's video, we are going to talk about hostel timings, mess timings, rooms, beds, electricity, etc. So let's move on to our first and foremost point, that is rooms or beds. तो जैसे कि रूम्स में देर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ रूम्स अवेलेबल हियर, लाइक सिंगल बेडेड रूम, डबल शेयरिंग, ट्रिपल शेयरिंग, इवन 4 लोगों का शेयरिंग इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. बट there is a price difference between all the types of rooms I mentioned. जैसे कि for single bedded room, this year it was 90 to 95,000 approx. There might be some changes in next year, or like there might not be other changes next year. So next there is double sharing room. Double sharing room, it's like approx 70 to 75,000 every year. This year it was 75,000, and next year I can't say it will be the same or it will not be, but approx it will be 70 to 75,000. This type of rooms, like double bedded rooms, are also a bit difficult to find here as in case of single bedded rooms, क्योंकि ये पहले से ही occupied होते हैं both of these types of rooms, or like number of this type rooms are a bit less in our hostels. That's all. Next, let's come to triple sharing. Triple sharing and 4 लोगों का sharing is almost the same. Like the fees are same. For first year, in triple sharing and 4 लोगों का sharing, you'll have to pay 50,000 to 55,000 approx, and from second year it will be 60,000. Yes, from second year it will be 60,000 if you are continuing in that triple sharing or 4 लोगों का sharing का room, then it will be 60,000. But if you by chance decide to change to single rooms or double rooms, then it will be accordingly 70 to 75 or 90 to 95,000 per year. This were the rooms or beds or the prices I mentioned for my hostel, for my college. That's all. Next upon, we have the most asked thing, that is hostel timing. Hostel timing is like सुबह 6 बजे से hostel का gate खुल जाता है, and in time in the hostel is for first year. So for first year, the hostel in time is 8:30. And that too only for 6 months. After 6 months, your timing is gonna change and it will become 9:30. Yeah. And from second year onwards, it will continue the same, like 9:30, and then final year also 9:30. So first year में ही बस थोड़े बहुत changes होते हैं, क्योंकि बच्चे नए आए हुए होते हैं, तो they keep a bit in observation. Baki to after 6 months, it's 9:30 for everyone. Yeah, for first year, second year, third year, and final year, same for all. And another most important thing, that is, अगर by chance आप उस starting के 6 महीने की trial period में 8:30 के बाद आते हो, तो आपको fine भरना पड़ेगा. Like for 8, अगर आपने 8:30 by chance cross कर दिया है, तो you'll have to pay 50 rupees till 9 p.m. ठीक है? Till 8:30 से 9 p.m. के बीच में if you are coming back, you'll have to pay only 50 rupees. But if you cross 9 p.m. and then come before 9:30 or at 9:30, you'll have to pay 100 rupees. अगर आप लेट हो जाते हो by chance, तो आपको ये फीस पे करनी पड़ेगी to the warden. That's all. Next upon, we have our third point, that is mess timings. Mess timings, it's like breakfast सुबह 7 बजे से चालू हो जाती है until 8:30 to 9 a.m. in the morning. You'll be having your breakfast. बाद lunch, it's like 1:30 से चालू होती है and then 4:15 तक रहती है, because our college is like 3:15 पे end होती है and आते आते time लगता है, so 4:15 तक lunch you will get. के बाद we have dinner. Dinner is like around 7:30 से चालू हो जाती है and then till 9 to 9:10. That's the timing. These are the timings for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So next upon, we have electricity. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज लाइक बाकी कॉलेजेस में, बाकी हॉस्टल्स में जैसे होते हैं कि यू कांट यूज एनी ऑफ योर इलेक्ट्रिक आइटम्स, बट you can use each and every electric items in this hostel. Yeah, you heard it right. But there is a consequence also you have to face. The thing is that whatever electric items you are using, whatever electric things you are using, you have to pay your own bill. अगर तुम सिंगल रूम्स में रह रहे हो तो तुमको तुम्हारा बिल पूरा पे करना पड़ेगा. अगर तुम डबल शेयरिंग में रह रहे हो तो बिल स्प्लिट हो जाएगी. ट्रिपल शेयरिंग में रह रहे हो तो अकॉर्डिंगली स्प्लिट होगी. एंड देन 4 लोग शेयरिंग में रह रहे हो तो accordingly split hogi. But you can use each and every electric items whatever you want. Or bill is like minimal, not too much higher. It was like around 200 per month. So you can like मेरा तो ऐसा ही आता है around 150 to 200 per month. So it's kind of affordable, not that too much high, or it's okay. It's like you can pay it. It's not too much high. So this is a very good advantage of our hostel that we can use each and every electric item we want. Because कभी ना कभी electric items की necessities हो ही जाती है. Like you can't survive without those. खाना, not every time you can eat mess का खाना. So that's all. So without any tension, without any insecurities, you can bring your electric items here. So no worries for that. But do keep in mind that you have to pay your own bill. That's all. So do let me know if you want some other type of informations regarding my college or anything like that. I would love to make a video on that too. So these were the few points I wanted to mention regarding my hostel timings and mess timings and whatever it is, the questions asked by you. I hope that this video has helped you a lot. If it has helped you a lot, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down whatever videos you would like to watch next. I would love to make those videos. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye.